Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to get or enable Wi-Fi on your desktop PC for a very low price. To get Wi-Fi on your desktop, first you guys need to purchase a USB Wi-Fi adapter. In my case, I have purchased the TP-Link's Nano Wi-Fi adapter, which is a low-cost USB Wi-Fi adapter with both 2.4 and 5 GHz band. Now to set up the Wi-Fi, first you need to download the drivers from the TP-Link's website, or use the CD which comes along with the package. To download the driver, go to this website. Next, go to Support and then click on Download Center option. Next, select the type as Home. And then from the drop-down, select the option Adapters. In the next drop-down, select USB Adapters. Next, enter your USB adapter model number, which you can find on the package. Next, from the options, select your model and then click on it. On the next page, select your OS. And then click on Download to download the drivers. Next, open the download location and extract the driver files. Now insert your USB Wi-Fi adapter. Next, double click on the setup file to install the driver. To connect to a Wi-Fi network, click on the network icon. Next, enable the Wi-Fi option. Next, click on the right arrow button. Next, select your Wi-Fi network. Next, click on Connect. And then enter your Wi-Fi network password and click on Next. To share your Wi-Fi connection, first right-click on the Start button and then go to Settings. Next, go to Network and Internet. Next, click on Mobile Hotspot. Next, under Properties, edit your network name and password. Next, enable the mobile hotspot by clicking on the toggle button or by enabling it in the taskbar. To disable all the Wi-Fi connection, just enable the airplane mode. That's it for this video guys. See you in the next video.